Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of stubborn stains, pet messes, or just want your carpets looking brand new again, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the 5 best carpet cleaners you can buy right now. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. IDEACH Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The IDEACH Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, cordless cleaning solution designed to make your home spotless with ease and efficiency. This upgraded model features a robust 250-watt brushless motor, delivering ultra-powerful suction of up to 28,000 Pa. Whether it's dust, debris, pet hair, or stubborn dirt, this vacuum has the strength to clean deep into carpets and hard-to-reach areas. Its wireless design and detachable battery offer maximum flexibility and convenience. Equipped with a 2200 mAh high-capacity lithium battery, it provides extended runtime for uninterrupted cleaning. Use standard mode for up to 30 to 40 minutes of everyday cleaning, or switch to max power mode for 10 to 20 minutes of intense suction to tackle tougher messes. The dual motor system is built for high performance. The main motor works in tandem with an independent motor in the floor brush, enhancing suction power and ensuring a deeper, more thorough clean. With 2 adjustable power modes, you can easily switch between them based on your cleaning needs. Whether you're dealing with light dust or heavy dirt, this vacuum gives you full control over your cleaning experience. An advanced 5-layer filtration system captures even the smallest particles, helping to reduce allergens and prevent secondary pollution. It's the ideal choice for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. The built-in LED lighting on the floor brush illuminates dark corners and spaces under furniture, making cleaning easier and more effective. The brush head also rotates 180 degrees left and right, and tilts 90 degrees up and down, allowing you to navigate around obstacles and clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. All consumable parts, including the dust cup, honeycomb filter, and filter element, are washable, making maintenance simple, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. The vacuum's easy disassembly design makes daily upkeep quick and hassle-free. A variety of included brush heads allows you to clean every surface and corner of your home, ensuring no spot is left untouched. With IDEACH, you're choosing powerful performance, thoughtful design, and a lasting commitment to quality. Number 4. Yofidra Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. First off, this vacuum is powered by a high-horsepower pure copper motor, giving it strong suction performance. We're talking 10 kPa of wind power. That means it picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease, even in hard-to-reach places. The cordless design is a game-changer. No more getting tangled up or limited by outlet locations. You can move around freely and clean wherever you need to, whether it's your living room, your car seats, under the bed, or even your outdoor furniture. It's lightweight and features an ergonomic, non-slip handle, so it's super comfortable to use, even during longer cleaning sessions. Plus, the built-in LED lighting helps you spot dust and debris in dark corners and under furniture so nothing gets missed. It comes with a 0.7-liter dust collection tank, which is a decent size for a handheld vacuum. You won't need to empty it constantly. The filters are washable and replaceable, so you can keep your vacuum running at full efficiency without spending a lot on maintenance. Another great feature is the cyclonic action technology. It keeps debris away from the filter, so suction power stays strong for longer periods of use. That means better performance and a longer-lasting motor. It also includes 6 handy accessories, giving you the flexibility to clean different surfaces from carpets and upholstery to corners and crevices. Whether you're picking up pet hair from bedding or cleaning dust from your car's dashboard, it's got you covered. It's compatible with Makita 18V batteries, which is a huge plus if you already use Makita tools. That makes it super convenient and budget-friendly since you won't need to buy special batteries. All in all, the Yofidra handheld vacuum is powerful, efficient, and easy to use. It's quieter than most vacuums in its class and built to last with a longer service life. Number 3. INSE S10 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The INSE S10 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, foldable, and incredibly convenient cleaning solution for your home. Let's start with the standout feature, the foldable design. The INSE S10 is the first handheld vacuum from INSE that folds, making it easy to store in tight spaces and perfect for quick, grab-and-go cleaning. Now let's talk power. This vacuum is equipped with a high-performance 350-watt brushless motor, delivering up to 30,000 pascals of suction power. That's strong enough to lift embedded dirt, pet hair, and even fine dust from carpets and hard floors. With 3 power modes 16 kPa, 24 kPa, and 30 kPa, you can easily adjust the suction to match your cleaning needs. But power means little without efficiency. That's where the 6-layer filtration system comes in. The S10 captures 99.99% of dust and allergens, filtering particles as small as 0.3 microns. This means cleaner air, making it a great choice for households with kids, pets, or allergy sufferers. As for battery life, it's absolutely impressive. The removable, rechargeable battery offers up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode, 30 minutes on medium, and 15 minutes on max mode, more than enough to clean your entire home on a single charge. It also comes with a range of useful attachments: an electric floor brush, a 2-in-1 dusting brush, and a long flat suction nozzle with an LED light. These tools help you clean everything from floors to ceilings, including tight corners, your car, or behind furniture. With a 1.2-liter dustbin, you'll spend less time emptying and more time cleaning. And when it's full, one click is all it takes to empty it. No mess, no fuss. Convenience features include a hands-free lock key. Just press once for continuous cleaning, no need to hold the trigger. The front LED light illuminates dust and dirt, even in dark corners. Whether you're doing a quick touch-up or deep cleaning every room, the INSE S10 is lightweight, powerful, and incredibly easy to use. Number 2. JONR ED12 Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. The JONR ED12 Cordless Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner is the all-in-one solution designed to make home cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. This 3-in-1 cleaner vacuums, washes, and mops your floors in one go. With powerful suction and a dual water tank system, it easily tackles kitchen stains, liquid spills, and pet hair on all hard floor surfaces. The separate clean and dirty water tanks ensure you're always cleaning with fresh water. Thanks to its edge-to-edge design, the ultra-narrow 0.1-inch brush can reach right into corners and along baseboards, making sure no spot is missed. When you're done cleaning, the JONR ED12 makes maintenance easy. With the touch of a button, the automatic self-cleaning system activates, thoroughly washing the roller brush in just 35 seconds. This keeps your hands clean and saves time and water. Its large capacity 850 ml clean water tank and 450 ml dirty water tank reduce the need for frequent refills or emptying, allowing you to clean larger spaces without interruption. Lightweight at just 7.9 pounds or 3.63 kilograms, and completely cordless, the JONR ED12 is easy to maneuver around your home. The self-propelled motor provides forward thrust, making it effortless to push across floors with one hand. Choose between 2 cleaning modes, standard and powerful, depending on your needs. With up to 35 minutes of runtime, it's perfect for everyday messes or deep cleans. And with noise levels kept under 75 decibels, you can clean anytime without disturbing your household. The JONR ED12 combines smart design, powerful cleaning, and ease of use, giving you a better way to care for your floors without the hassle. Number 1. ABIR VC205 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Tired of dust hiding in the corners, deep in your carpet, or even inside your bed? Meet the powerful and intelligent cleaning solution, the ABIR VC205 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. With up to 27,000 PA of hypersuction power and a smart digital BLDC motor spinning at 110,000 RPM, this lightweight vacuum is built for deep, thorough cleaning from floor to ceiling. Experience effortless control with the ultra-big LED touchscreen. Easily switch between vacuum modes, check battery levels, and get real-time maintenance alerts all at your fingertips. No more guesswork. Thanks to real-time dust sensing technology, the ABIR VC205 adjusts its suction power automatically based on dust intensity. As you clean, the smart LED ring transitions from red to blue so you can actually see the cleanliness. Cold LED front lights illuminate dark spaces, helping you see and remove hidden dirt, all without the harshness of lasers, making it safe for kids and pets. Equipped with advanced cyclonic technology, it instantly separates fur and dust from the airflow. Multi-stage power boosts compress hair and dust into tight, easy-to-clean balls. The VC205 comes with 4 versatile brush heads including a motorized mite removal brush, a crevice nozzle, soft brush, and a high-density LED roller brush designed to tackle everything from delicate curtains to tight window grooves. Its mite removal rate is as high as 99.9%. Give your baby a more comfortable, allergen-free sleep. Weighing just 1.1 kg at the handle, and ergonomically designed for comfort, it's perfect for extended use, especially for women or elderly users. Clean your car, sofa, or even high shelves without strain. Its E13 HEPA filter captures 99.97% of microparticles and is fully washable, along with the dust cup, cyclone, and roller, saving you money on replacements. With up to 40 minutes of runtime in eco mode and coverage of up to 270 square meters, the ABIR VC205 ensures your whole home is clean with just one charge. So, the ABIR VC205 isn't just a vacuum, it's an intelligent cleaning partner built for modern living. Real power. Real smart. Real clean. There you have it, the 5 best carpet cleaners. Whether you're looking for a budget pick, something for pets, or a deep cleaning powerhouse, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more home tips and product reviews. Got a favorite carpet cleaner? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.